This is how to register and verify your Coinbase account. Guide for beginners. Everything you need to know to stay safe. Coinbase is one of the most legally regulated cryptocurrency exchanges with a global reach, which systematically introduces various innovations to its offer and is the largest known exchange with American roots. This exchange has a very large selection of cryptocurrencies, many financial options and trading options, which we will talk about later. Coinbase requires identity verification after registering an account. I will show you how to go through this process step by step. Everything should take no more than a few minutes because we will focus on all important matters without unnecessary time wasters. First of all, I launched the official website. A direct link can be found under this video. I go to get started, where we get straight to the point and have to provide our name, surname, email and password that meets the conditions given below. Please remember to choose a unique password dedicated solely to this platform and refrain from using it anywhere else. Then we read and accept the regulations and privacy policy. If you have completed everything, press Create Free Account. In the next step, we will receive an email with a confirmation link that must be clicked on the same device on which we set up the account. When the email arrives, I click on it and I am redirected to log in again. All data visible on the screen is covered because after many years of working with cryptocurrencies, I have learned from experience and prioritize my safety. The question arises, do we want to always be logged in on this device? I skip this function, but you decide for yourself. Coinbase suggests that we set up our own passkey. I will skip this option for now and we will come back to it in the video explaining how to use all the functions. At the end, we decide whether we want to receive email notifications about promotions, events, and other things related to the stock exchange. I will also skip this option. The next step is to provide the phone number to which we will receive a one-time code with each login attempt, and each time important settings are changed. Coinbase does not specifically allow the use of authentication applications, which is why the SMS code is one of the most important security verifications. We are waiting for a password that needs to be entered. The next step is to verify your identity, which is mandatory on Coinbase. At the beginning, we choose the country of residence. The exchange tries to meet all possible legal requirements in the places where it operates. So, we must verify ourselves before the main panel of the series is shown to us. Next, we will see a short form with our personal data, where we must provide our name, surname, date of birth, address, and postal code. In the next part, we can start the final stage, which is the personal survey. We have to complete such a survey due to the legal regulations that apply to the stock exchange. It must counteract dirty business, so there will be several questions about our finances. First question, what you will use Coinbase for? Second, what is your source of funds? The third and final question on this page pertains to employment status, and after that, I am pressing Continue. We have to wait a few moments until our data is saved. Then there are two more questions about how much we plan to spend annually on cryptocurrencies and what industry we work in. After choosing the answer, I click Submit. Then we can confirm the data we have entered by adding a scan of the ID document. From the available options, we can choose an ID card, passport, or driver's license. Most exchanges require us to use a webcam when verifying a document, but here we can simply upload a photo from a file. We will use my ID card for this purpose. I'm uploading 2 photos, each side. Then we see that our application is being verified. The entire process shouldn't take more than a few hours. In my case, the whole thing took less than 20 minutes. After completing the entire process, you will receive a green verified tick as shown on the screen, and you will be able to fully use your account on the exchange. In this video, that's all. In the next one, I will show you how to use all the features, how to deposit funds, how to withdraw them, how to trade and use the limit, market and stop loss options. We will also cover features such as Coinbase One and learning rewards. And in just a few minutes, we managed to cover everything. I hope you're satisfied. Finally! Good luck!